In the basics, we're going to cover many definitions, concepts, and materials that are used with energy conservation. Some of this information can be confusing and lead you to bashing your head onto something hard until you forget why you were looking at this video in the first place. So please, be patient and feel free to review this video as many times as you need or until you become unconscious. Okay, let's get started with the basic definition of temperature. Temperature is the measure of how fast molecules in a substance are moving or vibrating. All molecules that make up solid material, liquid, or gas move or vibrate. So when the temperature increases in the solid, liquid, or gas, the molecules start to vibrate faster. It's the reason why most materials expand when they get hot. Faster moving molecules require more space, and in the South, we need to do anything we can to keep the materials and air that make up our homes moving as slow as possible. So in conclusion, the faster the molecules move in a material, liquid, or gas, the higher the temperature is for that material, liquid, or gas. So let's look at 3 ways heat can travel on this planet. Okay, the 3 ways that heat can travel on this blue bowling ball that we call Earth is convection, conduction, and radiation. Let's start with convection. Convection. Convection is heat transferred through a liquid or a gas like water or air. So for home energy efficiency, convection will pertain mainly to the air on the inside and outside of your home, and how to keep that convection heat out. Conduction is the heat that is transferred through solid objects and between solid objects. This is why you can hold your hand above a hot frying pan and feel mildly uncomfortable. But as soon as you touch that hand to the hot frying pan, you burn it faster than you can save British thermal units. Some materials are excellent conductors like metals, and other materials are poor conductors like fiberglass insulation. Therefore, conduction is very important in understanding how insulation and radiant barriers work. Radiation is the final way heat can travel. Radiation is heat that is transferred through space in the form of waves. Infrared radiation and solar radiation are the types of heat waves from the sun. Solar radiation waves from the sun can excite molecules and materials, causing them to become superheated. And these are the waves the South should be concerned about during the hot months of the year. For instance, solar radiation will leave the sun and travel to the earth in the form of radiant heat. When this solar radiation hits the earth, it excites and heats the atmosphere, giving us the hot summers that we love so much in the South. This radiation also heats our car interiors, sand at the beach, asphalt roads, and of course the attics of our homes. This concludes the basics, presented to you by CoolSouth.com. Thank you for your time, and feel free to revisit this presentation as many times as you like, or until your brain hemorrhages. And remember, always take care of the Cool South.